Hi, I'm Ramya, working as placement officer in Geetham School of Business. So we have a special student who has secured highest package in Lido. It is none other by name Miss Girishma. So I am very excited to introduce her. Girishma, uh, please tell me how you started your journey in Geetham and how was your experience in Geetham?
Ma'am, first of all, I never planned to join Geeta. It was like out of the blue. So back home, like I'm from Mumbai, right? Like I was a very naughty kid. Like my mom was tired. She just wanted to kick me out of the house. So she was like, "We'll go to Bangalore. We'll just look at some colleges. If you like it, you can join." So we ended up going a lot of colleges, and she came to Geeta. And then I got a phone call, so I went out. So by the time I finished my phone call, she already did my admission and everything, and she only got one flight ticket back home, and she left me here. So, so this is how I had to stay here. So, but then I ended up liking this place, so it was a good experience.
So your mom decided your destiny in Geetham.
Yeah, she saw around. She's like, Aju, like there's nothing around, so nowhere she can go. It's like a jail, good for Grishma. So that is how she joined me here.
Okay, that's good. So, how was your studying experience in Geetham? You did your MBA 2 years here. So, can you share more about it?
Here also I was naughty. I have annoyed my teachers a lot. That's why on farewell I have to tell them sorry. But like overall, it was a very good experience. The teachers were friendly. Everyone was supportive, and they actually understood my situation. Where I have to be sometimes difficult to the teachers and the friends also. Like I think they'll be friends for life now, all of them. So and I've met all my international students. So that was something different. Yes,
So, how
ma'am.
was your in Geetham? You were a very studious student or first bench? How was you? What type of
I
student
used
are
to sit
you?
on first bench so I can annoy the teachers and keep asking questions. I used to always sit on the first bench. So yeah, and students, yeah, like I study. It's not like I'm a average student. I study nicely. So that is the yeah, ma'am.
So, who's your very close friend in Geetham?
Mine, Rama and Charan.
Charan. So, one international student and one Indian student.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so what their opinion about Girishma means how they feel comfortable because the language will change when you're talking to them, the accent will change.
No, I'm like that because I have that accent already. So like me and Rama, that's where we connect. Like even in the class, if she says something, the teacher will look at me. Krishna, please tell me what she said. So I'm the translator in the class. So yeah, and she's my roommate also over here. So that is why we're so close. And Charan, on the other hand, I think he tolerates all my things, no matter what. So this is where we connected.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
you already holding four offers in your hand, and finally your bank highest offer is from Lido with 10 lakhs package.
Yes, ma'am.
So how are you feeling, and how was your parents' experience when you got this offer?
To be honest, when my parents came in, they thought I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to waste my 2 years again. Like, not good for anything. But like, they saw, like, from Bombay to Bangalore, I've changed a lot. Like, I think I've become little more productive and serious about life. So that was there. And with the help of you also, ma'am, you also, like, tried to tell me do this, do that, actually worked for me, like, Grishma guided me along the way. So I think that also helped a lot. Yes, ma'am.
So
So thank you to you too.
you deserve it. So you're very happy with the offer of 10 lakhs and the highest package which was secured in whole MBA department. You're the one who secured 10 lakhs package in whole MBA department. I should say congratulations for it. So,
Thanks.
as you know, this college days is always they say golden days. So
Yeah.
students will enjoy their studies as well as they enjoy their life also. So, I want to say about what do you do in your free time, like how do you study or you go out, freak out?
I'm like a history freak. I love history. So I keep watching all these documentaries and everything. Like okay, people when they look at me, they're like, oh bro, she'll only do time pass in a room. But like I like researching, reading about things. And movies also, obviously, but like not Hindi movies. I hate Bollywood. I'm from Mumbai, but I hate Bollywood. It's not my thing. But like I love history, so I keep reading about these old Hitler things and all those World War documentaries. I think that is like I'm little studious like that, you know. So that
So
is
what do you want to become in your life?
First, to be honest, I wanted to become a cardiologist. I wanted to be a heart surgeon, but that story went down the hill only. My
You're
mom,
dating? No.
exactly. So like no, and after that, like I think I wanted to become a historian also, but after that also became down the hill. Then I took my BBA. Then I was like, I don't know what to do. At least let's do my masters. We'll see. Yeah.
What is good, like positive in you? What is plus and minus points in you?
Plus points is like I'm very enthusiastic. Like I don't get depressed or sad over little things. Like little things don't actually affect me, and I can start a conversation with anyone, like anywhere. So you know, even if a person is silent, I can make them talk. So I think that is one good thing.
Any
And
stranger can become a friend for you.
yeah, even director sir, I can make him laugh. Like he's like, Grishma, please. So I think minus is sometimes I get a little angry. Like that I think anger problem is my only weakness. Other than that, I'm a happy person. You'll never see me crying over anything.
So
Yeah.
what do your juniors say about you? Like, so what's the message you're giving to your juniors with respect to the an advice from your end to them?
For advice, they take life too seriously. I would tell them to go with the flow. You know, you don't have to be so serious because they are missing out on a lot of, the joys in life. So I would tell them to take things a little less seriously. Okay, you have to focus on your degree, but you have to live your life also along. So I think that is my advice.
Okay. So tell me something with incidents which always makes you to learn something, which has transformed you a lot from worse to better.
Okay, one thing, like maybe because like all these interviews that I gave, not interviews like that, what was it? Remember the HR meet that we had in the college that day? I think that was a real eye opener for me. Before I thought, oh, I know everything, but after meeting them, I was like, I'm nowhere. Like I'm in that bubble of mine that I know everything, but and from that day, I really started putting efforts on myself because the way they expected a candidate to be in their company was nowhere near what I was. So that was an eye opener. I would have never come across that ever in my life if it was not for that HR meet. So I think that really made me work on myself. So I started reading, I started seeing for projects and what other these people do and all that. So I think that was even scary for a moment. I thought, oh shit, I'm not gonna get any job in these companies. I'm a loser. But then, I worked on it. Yeah.
Okay, which is most favorite thing in Geetam University, which you like? Which is most like where you get very attached and which you love it for your whole life in Geetam University? What makes you to like get attached?
The dining halls actually. Dining hall because now I've never been in hostel and like I was always in like the normal schools, go home, come back. But here like in the hostel experience was very different for me. Like I never expected this. So like dining hall is where like everyone is together and you share all your things. So I really look for dining times every day. All your kids or international kids as Indians, everyone together, it's a blast. We dance, we play music, we make fun of teachers, like everything happens in that time. I think that is one of my favorite things in Geetam.
Tell me more about your classmates. If they hear your name Grishma, what first thing that comes into their mind?
Self-confidence. Yeah, so like Grishma, please tell me. So I make them sit, because like some people have trouble in communication. So I make them sit. They're like, you talk to me how much you want, I'll come and reply. So everyone comes, sits, talks to me, like, Grishma, you tell me this. So I keep talking to them. So at least they'll improve because there's no one else who, talks to them. So I go to everyone, I annoy them. I was like, you talk to me first, please tell me something. And they'll keep telling me. So that is one.
Fine, Grishma. It was nice talking to you and I had very good time with you. once more, congratulations and all the best for your future. And is there any message you want to convey to anyone? And is there anything which you want in any aspect Geetham to improve?
Geetham, I don't know. I think they are good as the way they are.
It was nice talking to you, Grishma. So, chala, be in touch. Thank you for your time. Keep in touch. Take care. Bye.
Have a good day, ma'am.
You too. Bye.